Are you looking for a natural way to relieve stress and improve your health right here in Metro Vancouver? Welcome to MoxaLady Acupuncture, your sanctuary of healing near Crystal Mall in Burnaby. Meet our esteemed team, led by Dr. Tai, a doctor of Chinese medicine with decades of expertise. You'll also experience the power of the course I teach, titled Chinese Medicine, Health and Wellness, designed to empower your wellness journey. We're thrilled to introduce a special partnership with Dr. Wendy Chen, also known as Dr. Wendy. As a doctor of Chinese medicine, her premium products are the perfect complement to your healing path. Discover the difference today. Call us at 778-8872-021 to schedule your appointment or learn more.